Take care of animals, mucking out stable, feeding animals, notifying the vet. Working on fields, fertilizing, plowing, sowing, mowing, making hay, maintaining and repairing machines. Farmers are permanently busy in today's world. Have no free minutes. Cannot drop out. If they fail, their system collapses. As the world population grows, more and more pressure is put on them. But at the same time, we are also demanding more and more. Demand that they can still feed everyone in 2050. And at the same time, we demand more environmental protection, more sustainability, less resource consumption. Today's agriculture must transform itself into a productive, sustainable, and resilient one, through precise and resource-efficient cultivation. To do this, we must continue to learn. Notice changing conditions immediately. Understand crops better. We need to integrate advancing network architecture and modern technologies into the farm in a meaningful way. Drones and sensors bring new knowledge about crops and soil properties. Provide data. Can inform decisions. Robots and autonomous agricultural machinery can facilitate work processes, save resources, counteract workforce deficits. Livestock monitoring collects all the animals' data, can track animal behaviors, facilitates monitoring and analysis of herds. Time savings. Reduced the application of fertilizer. Reduced the water consumption. Optimized the storage conditions. Increased the crop yields. These are just a few of the benefits of the private 5G network in agriculture. Get in on the third green revolution. Use crop monitoring, weather sensors, livestock data, autonomous farm machinery, and smart infrastructure. Learn more about your agriculture and increase your productivity. As a full solution provider, we take care for your private 5G network. Build your connected agriculture with us.